I'm going to show you how to get the glowiest skin this January. Hi, I'm Camille. I'm a licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you how you can use red light therapy with lymphatic drainage and facial massage to boost your results and get the super dewiest, glowiest skin this season. First, I'm going to add a little serum to my skin to create a nice slip before I go in with lymphatic drainage and facial massage. Any serum or lotion that you have at home will do. This is just the one that I'm currently using. Next, we turn on our LUMEBOX. For the purposes of this video, I'm not wearing goggles so I can see you clearly. I'm going to lower the beam of the LUMEBOX so it's directed away from my eyes, but please know that this facial massage is best when the LUMEBOX is directed towards the facial skin. Please note that the LUMEBOX manual recommends wearing goggles if the light is directly shining on you. First, we're going to wake up our lymph system. Now, your lymph moves towards the direction of least resistance. So we're going to work from our clavicle upwards so that our lymph flows in the direction of least resistance towards our heart. What's unique about your lymphatic system is that it doesn't have a manual pump like your circulatory system does. It relies on muscle movement and contraction as well as massage to propel the lymph fluid through the vessels. We're going to start right here at our clavicle bone. We're going to roll our fingertips over our clavicle bone. There's a series of nodes here called our supraclavicular nodes. Now, all of your nodes in your body are very superficial, so you don't need super heavy pressure, nice and light. We're going to make our way up our neck, and we're going to sweep our fingertips down our neck, waking up our anterior and posterior cervical nodes. And then our hands are going to land right underneath the ears. Just a little gentle massage. Now move your fingertips towards your jawline. These are your submandibular nodes. And then towards your chin, your submental nodes. And then walk your fingertips towards your ears. I like to separate my fingertips like so. And massage right in front of my ears and right behind. Very light. These are your pre and post auricular nodes. If you experience any sort of draining feeling, that's normal. And if you don't, that's normal too. Walk your fingertips towards the center of your face, towards your mouth, your buccinator nodes. And keep walking towards your nose, your nasolabial nodes. Taking your fingertips underneath the eyes, moving outwards. Very light, moving up and out. All right, we just woke up our lymphatic system. When we do this in combination with red light therapy, we are really triggering and activating the mitochondria of the cell. The mitochondria are tiny organelles that are inside every single cell in our bodies. These organelles are responsible for generating ATP. ATP helps give our body and our cells energy, but equally it helps increase and stimulate blood flow. So by going in and massaging tissues with red light therapy, we are increasing blood flow, which helps support the function of the lymphatic system by helping transport waste out of the body and allow the lymph fluid to flow more efficiently. So now that I've manually opened up my lymph nodes from my collarbone all the way up to my head, supporting that drainage to my heart, I'm now gonna go in with a little bit deeper massage, get a little bit deeper into the tissues. I'm gonna start working into my trapezius muscle. Really allow this to feel good. Really massage the fascia. And we're gonna work our way up the back of the neck towards the base of the skull. There's like 4 big muscles here. As you continue to work massaging the back of your neck, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the science behind what you're doing. Using red light therapy while you do lymphatic drainage really takes lymphatic drainage and facial massage to the next level. There have been large bodies of studies that have shown that red light therapy has phenomenal anti-inflammatory effects, which means it may help reduce swelling. So if you are reducing swelling around the surrounding lymph nodes, you are allowing your lymph system to perform optimally. I think one of the coolest things is that there are studies that show that red light therapy can help stimulate certain immune cells like macrophages. And macrophages are like these little scavenger cells found in your lymph and in your blood, and then they go in and clean out cellular debris and toxic waste. This helps your body get rid of toxic debris and really takes detoxification to the next level. So while we de-stress with massage, we really are detoxifying the body at the same time. All right, I've left you hanging right here, massaging the base of your skull. I'm gonna have you take your knuckles. I'm going to start massaging my jawline. I'm gonna move upwards. And I am making firm pressure here. I really want to manipulate the fascia, adding a little bit of like a wiggle at the top. From here, I'm gonna work on massaging right in front of the ear. Let your jaw hang heavy. We're gonna work towards our masseter muscle. Your masseter is that large muscle right here. I'm actually gonna hold my skin taut with my other hand as I pull down and massage and work into the masseter muscle. To relax the tissue. Go to the other side. We're gonna move forward towards the corners of our mouth. Right below that, these are our DAOs, and they're responsible for pulling the corners of our mouth down, and we want to counteract that, so we massage it. Don't be afraid to manipulate the tissue. From here, we're gonna hook our thumbs right underneath our cheekbones and carve out that space. And really imagine you're sculpting your facial features. From here, we're going to shift up towards our temples. nice circles here. Feel free to close your eyes. And reverse your circles, continuing to breathe. And take your hands towards your nose. There are so many small muscles in the face. Massage is so good. You're really gonna notice a difference after. And just this release of tension. From here, you're gonna work your way out and around the eyes. And again, getting a little pink is totally normal. You're increasing blood flow to the surface of the skin. You're increasing oxygenation. I'm gonna work towards the middle of my brows, the corrugator, and really draw upwards. Extend that to the frontalis. I'm gonna do a little brow shaping, manipulation. Again, pulling upwards because gravity is the enemy. It's going to pull down, so we want to lift up. And we've already done our lymph drainage. Now, let's take it to the scalp. I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb. Any comb will do just fine. So red light therapy may help promote hair growth, and studies show that scalp massage does too. So the two together, so good, so good. And I have all of these baby hairs coming in from my LUMEBOX. There's nothing like a good scalp massage. Start pulling upwards. All right, that wraps up my routine pairing LUMEBOX with lymphatic drainage and facial massage. Now, when you feel like you've mastered some of the techniques that I've shown you, go ahead and grab your goggles and your LUMEBOX, put your goggles on, and aim your LUMEBOX beam about 6 inches away from your face. That way you get the full benefits of the red light therapy with some of those techniques that I showed you. January is such an amazing time to reset, regroup, and develop some goals for the new year. Use this time to your benefits. Incorporate your red light therapy, incorporate lymphatic drainage and facial massage just like I showed you. Try it out and do it for about 4 to 5 days a week for 2 weeks, and you're really gonna notice the benefits. It's gonna leave your skin dewy, hydrated, and you're gonna feel so rejuvenated. You're gonna enter this new year glowing.